Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your laptop faster than the present one. Guys, I'm not going to show you any software and wasting your time and just showing you any fake products. Okay, guys, please trust me. I'm using the same hardware component in my laptop and it is working so well. And I will just explain you in the shortest form within 5 minutes. Please listen carefully. It is for you only, your benefit only. Guys, now I'm going to start. At first I want to say that it won't work for you, then you can unsubscribe my channel, you can leave my channel, you would never come back to see my videos. It's my promise guys, it will help you out. You don't worry about that. I'm showing you the way how to install that hardware component. It is cheap only, you can get any from your market. You can get this hardware. Now I'm going to reveal that hardware component. At first only if I'll reveal, then some of them might get little bit that worried about that. So I will be explaining you in the easiest way so you can install in your laptop. Okay, first I want to say this: you can use any type of laptop, any type of old laptop you can use. That is, there is no restriction that you have to use this company only. You can use either HP, Dell, any type of laptop. You can use this component. You can put this component in any type of laptop. Okay guys, now you can see here I will be showing you in somewhere. You can see here guys, this is SSD. Okay, solid state drive. In our laptop it is SSD, hard state drive. It is hard disk. Okay, we are using the hard disk. Okay, and this is solid state drive. Okay, the solid state drives is better than SSD. Okay, SSD is in our laptop. It is kept in old laptops. And if you are the person who are using old laptops or any type of laptop where SSD does not contain in it, then you can just buy this product. You can see here, this is the SSD 1 TB. You don't need to buy 1 TB only, you can buy 512 GB also, 250 GB also. I have just buy 250 GB only guys. I haven't used, I haven't paid much more for this product because it does not uh, don't worry for that. It will work the same performance. It will give you the same performance only. When if you have to keep much more things, then only you use 1 TB. Either you can use 512 GB also. It is sufficient for you. Now how to install this in your laptop? You were thinking over that only, I think. You can see here SSD, this is the product here, right? And if you can see here how to put, now I can show you. Yeah, you have laptop, right? There is DVD drive box. You can check your laptop. You can see here, here is the DVD drive box. You can just open this with a screwdriver, or you are not feeling uh, good, then you can just take your laptop to the laptop service. They will open your this DVD drive by just opening 2 or 3 screw from here, and you can just pull out. You can just pull out from your laptop. No need to open whole laptop. I have just opened by myself only, and you have to buy this caddy. You can see here, caddy for SSD. You can buy in Amazon and any other online sites. And look, this caddy is the case of this SSD. You can just take this SSD and put inside the caddy, and you just, after putting inside the caddy, you can see here it has put it inside, and you just keep the same slot in your laptop, and just you have to remove your DVD drive. In now generation, no one will be using this DVD drive, so you can just remove that and keep in place of that. And how much it will be cost? Now you can see the best SSD drive. Yeah guys, those are the best SSD drive. Don't go for any other products. You can see here WD Green Sandex is the best only. I'm using this Crucial one. Crucial is the cheapest one in my view, so I am using this. And Kingston is best, this is best, this is also best. And one A data is also the best SSD drive. Now if and I will show you the types of SSD. Okay, now you can see this is the SATA SSD. SATA SSD means this type. The box type is the SATA SSD. Okay, this type of SSD used to put inside the place of DVD drive. Okay, now another type of SSD is like this. It is like a chip, M.2. We can say this SSD M.2. Many of them used to say M.2. This is the M.2 means M.2 slot. If your laptop containing M.2 slot, then I will prefer to use this type of SSD in your laptop because it is better than that one. In my view, it is better than that one because it will work much better than SATA SSD. SATA SSD is for those person who don't have M.2 slot. You can go to the laptop service center and you just ask, uh, does it contain SATA or I have to put M.2. They will tell you about that. And you just buy this. Look, 500 GB is also enough for that. You just put inside your laptop this type of chip we have to use. Or if you want to use this one, then this is the easiest way. I have used this. It is the easiest way only. Just put in the place of the DVD drive. Just buy one caddy, the frame box of that SSD, put inside this and just put inside that. And for the installation of the caddy, I have seen many videos in the YouTube to install SSD in your laptop. Okay, then I have used that process also, but it won't work for me for better purpose. You go to laptop service center, you just give this caddy. I want to put any type of normal laptop service center is enough for that, and just give these products. You only buy this product and just give, and they will just put this like, and they will just install in your laptop. Then I'm giving you guarantee that it will work much more faster than your present laptop speed. You can check by using any software of speed checker or anything else. Thank you so much. Any type of country peoples can get this SSD card. I think Nepal, India, USA, any type of country, any place of country, you can get this product. It is available in every country. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any queries, then you can ask me in comment, and if you want how to change this all, then I will showing you video in another video.